Imagine spending months developing a product, importing inventory, planning a launch, and investing in marketing. Now imagine your shipment getting stopped at customs because the product was certified under the wrong BIS scheme, or not certified at all. This is a common issue faced by many businesses. Some products require an ISI license, some require CRS registration, some require FMCS approval for foreign manufacturers, while others may fall under Scheme 10 or hallmarking requirements. Understanding the correct certification scheme is not just a compliance requirement, it's a business necessity. Welcome to MindSync. At MindSync, we help businesses simplify complex compliance requirements through practical guidance and professional support. Whether it is BIS certification, product compliance, regulatory approvals, company law, or business advisory services, our objective is to make compliance easier to understand and implement. Today we will focus specifically on BIS certification schemes and their applicability. Why BIS has different schemes? A common question businesses ask is, why does BIS operate multiple certification schemes instead of just one? The answer lies in product risk, manufacturing processes, and regulatory requirements. Different products pose different levels of risk to consumers and society. For example, a mobile phone presents different compliance challenges compared to a pressure cooker. Similarly, gold jewelry requires purity verification, while industrial machinery requires stringent safety assessment. Because of these differences, BIS has developed separate conformity assessment schemes to address different categories of products. This ensures appropriate quality control, consumer safety, and regulatory oversight. Overview of BIS certification schemes. Let's now look at the major BIS certification schemes. The first is Scheme 1, commonly known as the ISI mark scheme. The second is Scheme 2, which includes the Compulsory Registration Scheme or CRS. The third is FMCS, or Foreign Manufacturers Certification Scheme. The fourth is Scheme 10, which focuses on certain high-risk products. And finally, there is the Hallmarking Scheme for precious metal articles. Each scheme has its own procedures, requirements, and applicability. Understanding these differences is critical for compliance. Scheme 1. ISI mark certification. Let's begin with Scheme 1. This is one of the oldest and most recognized BIS certification schemes in India. When consumers see the ISI mark on a product, it indicates that the product conforms to applicable Indian standards and has undergone quality assessment by BIS. Products such as cement, steel products, electrical appliances, packaged drinking water, and pressure cookers commonly require ISI certification. Under the scheme, BIS evaluates both the product and the manufacturing facility. Manufacturers are required to undergo factory inspections, testing, and continuous surveillance. Unlike a one-time registration process, Scheme 1 involves ongoing compliance monitoring. This helps ensure that product quality remains consistent over time. Because of its strong quality assurance framework, the ISI mark is widely trusted by consumers across India. Scheme 2. CRS Registration Scheme. Now let's discuss the Compulsory Registration Scheme, commonly known as CRS. CRS is particularly important for electronics and information technology products. The scheme was introduced to ensure safety and quality of electronic products sold in the Indian market. Products such as mobile phones, laptops, LED lights, power banks, CCTV cameras, and smart watches are among the many categories covered under CRS. Under the scheme, manufacturers must first get their products tested in BIS-recognized laboratories. After successful testing, an application is submitted to BIS for registration. Unlike the traditional ISI scheme, CRS is primarily registration-based. Manufacturers who receive registration are permitted to use the BIS standard mark along with a unique registration number. Without CRS registration, notified electronic products generally cannot be legally manufactured, imported, or sold in India. For businesses dealing in electronics, CRS compliance is one of the most important regulatory requirements. FMCS, Foreign Manufacturers Certification Scheme. Next, let's understand FMCS. FMCS stands for Foreign Manufacturers Certification Scheme. As the name suggests, the scheme is designed for manufacturers located outside India. Suppose a foreign manufacturer wants to export products requiring ISI certification into India. In such cases, the manufacturer cannot simply apply under the standard domestic certification process. Instead, they must obtain certification through FMCS. Under the scheme, BIS may conduct factory inspections at overseas manufacturing facilities. The foreign manufacturer is also required to appoint an authorized Indian representative, commonly known as an AIR. The AIR acts as a liaison between BIS and the foreign manufacturer. FMCS plays a crucial role in ensuring that imported products meet the same quality and safety standards as products manufactured within India. Scheme 10 Certification. Let's now move to Scheme 10. Scheme 10 has been introduced for specific product categories that require enhanced regulatory oversight due to safety concerns or technical complexity. These products often involve higher levels of risk and therefore require more stringent conformity assessment procedures. Depending on applicable regulations and quality control orders, products such as industrial machinery, specialized equipment, and other safety-critical products may fall under Scheme 10. The scheme generally involves detailed technical evaluation, assessment of manufacturing capabilities, and ongoing compliance monitoring. The objective is to ensure that products entering the market meet strict safety and performance requirements. As India continues strengthening product quality infrastructure, Scheme 10 is becoming increasingly significant for certain industrial sectors. Hallmarking Scheme. The final major scheme is the Hallmarking Scheme. Unlike the other schemes we discussed, hallmarking is focused on precious metal jewelry and articles. The purpose of hallmarking is to verify purity and protect consumers. When purchasing gold or silver jewelry, consumers often rely on hallmarking to ensure that the product contains the purity level claimed by the seller. A BIS hallmark generally includes the BIS logo, purity grade, identification details, and hallmarking center information. This system promotes transparency, consumer confidence, and fair trade practices. Today, hallmarking has become an important quality assurance mechanism in the jewelry industry and plays a significant role in consumer protection. As we have seen, each BIS certification scheme serves a different purpose and applies to different categories of products. Selecting the correct certification pathway is essential for regulatory compliance, smooth market access, and business growth. How MindSync can help you. Navigating BIS certification requirements can often be complex and time-consuming. Businesses frequently face challenges in identifying the correct certification scheme, understanding applicable standards, coordinating product testing, preparing documentation, and responding to regulatory requirements. This is where MindSync can help. Our team provides end-to-end support for BIS compliance requirements, including CRS registration, ISI certification, FMCS applications, Scheme 10 guidance, and regulatory advisory services. We assist businesses in understanding product applicability, preparing documentation, coordinating with testing laboratories, managing application procedures, and addressing compliance requirements throughout the certification process. Whether you are an Indian manufacturer, a foreign manufacturer, an importer, a startup, or an established business, our objective is to simplify the certification journey and help you achieve compliance efficiently. With the right guidance, businesses can avoid unnecessary delays, reduce compliance risks, and focus on growth with confidence. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this video helped you understand the major BIS certification schemes operating in India and how they differ from one another. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to MindSync for more updates on BIS certification, product compliance, regulatory requirements, company law, accounting, and business advisory topics. If your business requires assistance with BIS certification or compliance support, feel free to connect with MindSync. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping your business stay compliant and grow successfully.